Make sure I'm ready. I always do this check. Focused. Yeah, I'm ready for it. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. I have the S21 Ultra in my hands, the Phantom Black edition, and that's a massive thanks to Vodafone for lending this to me. It is a review unit. Check out the links in the description below for all the latest deals. And this particular one has 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. I'm pretty sure it's the Exynos version as well. Yeah. Super excited. This one will cost you around £1,150 directly from Samsung, but obviously on Vodafone you can get it on monthly payments and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Okay, let's do this. Really excited. The pinnacle of smartphones at the moment, the S21 Ultra. I want to see the Phantom Black in all its glory. Let's pop this to one side though, because I want to check what we haven't got in the box. Everyone knows we don't get a charger with it anymore. But what do we get in here? I haven't really watched any unboxing videos, to be fair with this. Okay, so quick start guide, manual, and yeah, it looks like a Type-C charging cable, doesn't it? Yeah, Type-C to Type-C. I have seen somewhere before where, I forgot who was talking about it now. Say if you had an S10, Galaxy S10 with the charging block, it's got the USB-A, and you get in this, you're going to need to get a brand new charging block with a Type-C connector. I can't remember who was saying that, who said that, but they're absolutely right. It might have been Mr. Who's the Boss actually. Can't get the back in. Here she is. Guys, 6.8 inches of pure, gorgeous display. Now let's have a look around the back, because I'm going to peel this off. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, that was good. Now we also have to peel off the camera section. Here. Oh God, that just looks so gorgeous, doesn't it? And you know what I really like? The way that light reflects off the rims around the cameras. Especially those three there. That reflection on there, the way it bounces off. Beautiful. So it's a glass front and back, protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus. Apparently, well, it's left a little gluey mark, hasn't it? I should wipe off. But I'll tell you what. That feels so smooth, like sort of satin, silk. Is that really a glass back? This is what I've been waiting for, to see this in the flesh, to show you all as well. Doesn't that look an absolute beauty? And that camera housing there, they've really nailed it, haven't they? It wraps around there beautifully. Now this phone, when I first saw it, obviously the Phantom Black version, if a superhero was going to own it, it would be Batman. This is definitely Batman's phone. 100% this Phantom Black. Oh man. Right. So it's got the typical sort of solid frame that you expect with Samsung devices. 8.9 millimeters thick, which is fairly thick, in my opinion anyway. Got a Type-C port there, the SIM tray at the bottom as well, and a speaker. Along the top there's a couple of holes for microphones. We have the power key and volume rocker there on the side as well. Pretty standard in that respect. Let's just turn this baby on. 120 Hertz refresh rate. So it has a dynamic AMOLED display I've seen online. Let's turn this brightness down. That's a bit too bright. And there it is, guys. I think still that's a bit too bright. Oops. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to go straight into the display settings, because what they've changed this time around is you can have Quad HD plus, so 1440p resolution, and still have the 120 Hertz refresh rate. So sharpness, that's going to be so smooth, isn't it? Oh my God. That is just incredible. Okay, so before we get onto the cameras, let's have a closer look at this display and check some videos out. Okay, so we have some footage here on YouTube. We can pinch zoom, full screen. Look at that. Let's see what we got. (1080p 60), can go all the way up to 2160, although it's only 1440p. We'll keep it at 1440p 60, and once it's buffered, we should see some beautiful quality video. 120 Hertz, Quad HD. Look how beautiful it is. Samsung truly makes some incredible displays, and this on the S21 Ultra is no different. Absolutely stunning. They're the best. The best displays on any smartphone, without a doubt. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's have a look at the speakers then on the S21 Ultra. Okay, so on the S21 Ultra, it's stereo speakers, top there, and a loudspeaker there at the bottom as well, firing down. So they're not directly at you, but let's have a listen. Full volume. Absolutely no contest there. Absolutely oozes quality. The sound quality is really, really good. Stereo speaker setup. What more do you need? Yeah, it sounds excellent, it really does. So let's take a look at this camera, the selfie camera, while I'm here. You should be able to see me there. See my chin? There we go. Choose a colour tone for your selfies. Natural or bright. I'll keep it natural. Absolutely. Let's just try it. No messing around with settings. In fact, let's have a look at this. Yeah, it's on original. Yeah. Here we go. Really good. Great, yeah, skin tone, natural looking skin tone, colour accuracy, sharpness. Ooh, there we go. That is excellent. Well done, Samsung. Is there a, what is a portrait video or portrait? Let's have a look, see how it handles that. We can change the blur, intensify it all the way up to 7 so it looks really fake. Obviously you can change the effects there as well. To keep it on blur, itch my face, look at the camera, Bang. And let's go back. Let's have a look at this. Yes. Quality, colour tone, great. Like I said, it looks very, very intense, that bokeh mode there, doesn't it? Slight little blemish on there. Didn't quite work as well on that side there, but quality is excellent, absolutely excellent. And we have video mode. Look how smooth that is, wow. Yeah, so there are the options there at the top. Full HD automatic, Ultra HD 60. Let's just have it on Full HD automatic, standard. Let's do it that way. And click record. So the front-facing camera on the S21 Ultra, Full HD automatic. So I suppose it's going to automatically set the frame rate or whatever when it's recording. It looks so smooth and really nice. Obviously I'm looking at it on a 120Hz display, Quad HD, and it looks excellent. Let me know what you think of sound quality and obviously visual quality as well. For me, it looks absolutely excellent. Look at that wiry hair. God, yeah, I love it, really love it. Let me know what you think. Yeah, it's a very impressive camera setup there on the front. Record up to 4K 60. Impressive image quality as well. Now I need to jump on to the rear. Just put that there for reference, just for something to look at. And as you know, you can shoot up to 8K at 24 frames per second. Absolutely nuts. 8K all the way down to HD 30, which I believe is probably 720p, 30 frames per second, I'd imagine. Leave it at full HD automatic. And we have ultra wide. Impressive. 3 times zoom and 10 times zoom. 20 times zoom. Absolutely nuts. Okay, let's just test the the photo capabilities. So the S21 Ultra, obviously the first time I've really used the camera setup, but seems to be really, really good, really impressed. This is an ultra wide angled shot of a water bottle. That is the standard shot, so it's 1 times. This one is 3 times, and then that is 10 times. So you can't really focus that much on there. 3 times is looking good though, isn't it? Still sharp. I then tested the rear camera on myself, shooting at me, portrait mode, and I look half asleep there. Very impressive, isn't it? Very impressive. Do I prefer it over the Pixel 5? Tell you what, it's looking really, really good. And then video mode, full HD. Okay, so we're on the rear video camera on the S21 Ultra. This is set to full HD auto FPS. All right. I want to know what you guys think to this. Let's turn around. There is a super steady mode, which is not enabled at the moment. But I believe steadiness is still acceptable on here anyway. Look at that. We can switch to ultra wide as well while we're recording. Go. There we go. Now we're in ultra wide. Hey, look at that. Superb. Superb. Let's go back to normal. Boom. Okay. So that was a quick overview of some of the basic settings that the S21 Ultra offers in camera. This is like the Swiss Army knife of cameras. There is so much stuff you can do. So I'm going to go into more detail, obviously, in the review, and obviously testing out some more of these features, and especially the super steady mode on as well. I'll be testing that as well. And any other things you want me to test, just let me know in the comments below. But yeah, absolutely impressive camera setup on this beast. Okay guys, so that was my quick look and overview on the S21 Ultra. Obviously the main things was the display, the cameras, and the back of this beauty. Now, it's not glossy, so in terms of fingerprints, let's have a look at what it's picked up since I've been using it. You can see a few little blemishes there, but it's not a fingerprint magnet like it would be on, say, like a glossy back. You know, just get a little cloth here, give it a good old buffer. Back to its best. Look at that. Yeah, absolutely stunning. I've not seen any of the other colours in the flesh. This is the first one I've seen. Phantom Black. Yeah, but this is an absolute beauty. And I can't wait to fully test this. Hopefully have a full review in around maybe 2 to 3 weeks. So I'll give it a good old use. Good old use. So I'll give it some good in-depth use on this device and be back with a full review. So thank you very much for watching, guys. This is the S21 Ultra. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.